It's the moment Hawaii sports fans have been waiting for, the chance to finally cheer on the Rainbow Warriors in person. Tonight, UH takes on New Mexico State at Ching Stadium. The first time fans will be allowed in the stands there. Jen Boniza has more in tonight's top story.
There's excitement in the air, a buzz that comes from a big game. Now, this is a big game for both UH fans as well as the Rainbow Warriors, who haven't played in front of spectators since 2019. But getting into the game required a little extra effort. Thankfully, things went smoothly for the most part. After almost 2 years, diehard fans couldn't wait for the chance to cheer on the Rainbow Warriors in person.
So excited. I'm a sophomore. I've never been to a football game, so I'm super excited.
Same here. It's going to be really cool.
I feel bad for people last year, but I mean, we're blessed this year.
Pandemic restrictions limited capacity at the 9,000-seat Clarence T. Ching Stadium to just 1,000, so tickets sold out quickly for the game, and no one was permitted on campus near the field without one. How did you guys score tickets?
Oh my gosh, no idea. We entered the raffle. I literally told her, I was like, we're not going to get one. And then I got the email, so I was so excited.
We were so happy that we could come here tonight, and we got tickets. Not a lot of my friends got tickets.
Those lucky enough to get in had to adhere to some new rules. Proof of vaccination was required to attend the game, and before heading to the stadium, fans had to complete several extra steps, including downloading the Lumicite UH Health Check app for their phone and uploading vaccination information. Once spectators reached the campus, they had to check in at one of 6 marked Lumicite clearance locations to show the You May Report to Campus screen on their phone. Once health screening was verified, they received a wristband.
We just had to download an app and enter a raffle, and it honestly was not a big deal at all.
It was a pretty easy process, but, you know, we want that, so we're all safe here.
They set up pretty well, but it was easy. And I like that they separated it out away from the ticketing.
The clear bag policy was also in effect. Concessions were closed and no food or beverages were allowed except for water. Gates to the stadium opened at 4 p.m. The only hiccup came for those who didn't have a hard copy of their tickets. So what did they tell you about the delay?
They're scanning, the machine's not working, which we understand because, you know, they haven't used it in almost 2 years, so we don't blame them. I mean, but we're pumped. We're super excited to cheer on our school.
Yeah,
so
we're excited.
I mean, if we have to wait, we'll wait.
As long as we get in.
Yeah, as long as we get in. We worked hard for these tickets, so go Bears!
Jen Boniza, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.